Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add a box shadow to the elements and widgets within your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So by doing this, you're adding that bit of authenticity to your website, making it feel official by adding a couple of visual effects that make it feel like it's a real and professionally made website. And one of the ways to do it, like I said, is adding a box shadow to the buttons or the elements. So to do so is quite simple. And the first thing that we want to make sure of is that we're logged into our WordPress account as an administrator. So as you guys can see, here's what my dashboard looks like. So I'm logged in. And the idea here is we want to get access to our website builder or site editor. So there are a couple ways to get there. You can either click on Edit Site under Quick Links, or click on Appearance and an Editor, or select Plugins and click on Install Plugins and select Elementor. So by clicking on this, you'll see that I'll be redirected to this site right here. As you can see, actually, let me start from scratch. So if I want to add a shadow to any of the boxes here, you can do so by selecting the corresponding element that you want to edit. So if I want to add a shadow to this one here, actually this is the text editor, so that's wrong. So let's say that I want to add a shadow to this one here. So we're going to click on container like so. And then under style, you want to click on background overlay. Then, oh, actually, I believe that was under border. So you'll see right away that there's an option for a box shadow. So right now, I think it'll be actually hard to tell because the background is all black, but either way, these are the same steps. We're going to click on box shadow like so. And then we're going to add a blur effect. Actually, wait, you can kind of see it. Like it's kind of like overlaying above this logo. So that's pretty cool. You can even configure the spread for it. Oh, there we go. That's cool. So you can add a box shadow as well as the positioning. So you can have it centered or a little off center like so. So you can really fix it however you guys want to make it authentic, and you can apply it to every single element within your page. And that's honestly how to do it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.